Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Kaufman County until 3 p.m. Emergency management reports flooding in Kaufman County and in the city of Kaufman, with several roads closed. Flash flooding is already underway. Flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as poor drainage in low-lying areas. Some locations in this warning include Ellis, Terrell, Kaufman, Combine, Talty, Post Oak, Oak Grove, Rosser, and Lawrence. Once again, a flash flood warning is being issued for Kaufman County between now and 3 p.m. Flash flooding is already occurring in the city of Kaufman. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Now let me give you
for northeastern McLennan County and Central Texas, southeastern Hill County and Central Texas, northern Limestone County and Central Texas, until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Waco, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waco, Hewitt, Robinson, Belmont, Woodmoy, Mejia, Lacey Lakeview, Mark, Beverly Hills, Coolidge, Hallsburg, Fort Parker State Park, North Crest, Golson, Leroy, Mount Calm, Tahumacon, and Ross. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 329 and 346. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central and North Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service and Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Bosque County and Central Texas, Central Hill County and Central Texas, northwestern McLennan County and Central Texas, southwestern Ellis County in north central Texas, west central Navarro County in north central Texas, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of highways, streets, underpasses, creeks and streams, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Waco, Hillsboro, McGregor, West, Italy, Valley Mills, Crawford, Benham, Carl's Corner, Golson,